Hi, my name is Chris Stoddard. I am a DARE Extension Master Gardener Volunteer. Today's presentation on plants that survive and thrive on the Outer Banks is about a native tree called the Eastern Redbud. Eastern Redbud, Cercis canadensis, is one of the first trees to bloom in the spring, signaling the end of winter. It is pure pleasure to see this tree in full flower after months of drab winter color. Eastern redbuds are native to the eastern part of the United States and thrive in zones 4 through 9. They are considered small, understory trees that can normally grow 20 to 30 feet tall. Redbuds grow in full sun or partial shade and are adaptable to a range of soils, including clay, loam, and sand. But they are happiest in moist, well-drained soil. The eastern redbud may seem common and ordinary during the summer, but their blaze of color in the spring make up for it. The flowers are a great source of nectar for native bees. They are slightly salt tolerant. As autumn approaches, the foliage turns a pleasing shade of yellow. The flat green pods that turn brown not only add textural interest, but are a great food source for songbirds during the winter months. The dark bark, divided trunk, and rounded crown form a great winter silhouette in the landscape. The flower colors available are, besides the pink, are a white and a purple lavender. Leaf color ranges from a dark green to variegated green-white to purple foliage, which may green out during the hot summer. There are even weeping varieties that make quite a statement in the landscape. Now, canker can be a significant disease problem. We don't see it very often, but it can occur. This is a fungal disease that enters twigs and branches, feeds on the living tissue below the bark, and spreads around the stem. Once it encircles the branch, the water supply beyond that point is cut off to the leaves. The branch will suddenly wilt and die. Redbuds that are under drought stress will more easily succumb than a well-watered tree. Wounds created by pruning or mechanical injury serve as entry points for the fungus that infects the wood. Avoid wounding to minimize susceptibility to this disease. There are no fungicides which will control this type of canker. Verticillium wilt, leaf spots, mildew, and blights may also occur, but if the tree is healthy, it will survive them. Insect pests include, of course, Japanese beetles, leafhoppers, caterpillars, webworms, and scale. Keeping the tree vigorous by regular watering and fertilization and by pruning out dead branches will help keep the tree healthy. Eastern redbud is a tree that will bring a smile to your face in the early spring. It puts on quite a show. For more information on plants or any gardening questions, call Ask a Master Gardener at 473-4290 or email us at greenlineobx@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.